A day in my life as a work from home mom slash wife edition. Usually, 4:30 a.m. is nagpapa-alarm na ako kay Patrick because my work starts at 5 in the morning. And if you're interested to know about my job, currently I'm a guest reservation specialist and I work for this client since 2022. Yeah, she is my long-term client. To be honest, I'm really grateful for my work from home job because it allows me to balance my career while taking care of our family. Currently, it's 5:45 in the morning and lumalabas lang din ako sa terrace namin para magpahangin saglit. And mag-check lang ako if may other inquiries sa work. And if I have free time sa work, usually ginagawa ko na in the morning bago sila magising yung mga household chores namin. So first things first, ang ginagawa ko sa morning is ino-organize ko yung kitchen namin. And to be honest, sobrang OC ko sa house. Like, if I could clean the whole day, I would. And quick story lang, we sleep at 9 in the evening. So, very maaga talaga kami matulog. And nasanay din yung mga kids ni Patrick na maaga mag-sleep. And mga 8 p.m. we usually go to bed na. And si Kuya Seb, mga 7 p.m. natutulog na din siya. And ako lang ba, pero sobrang saya maglinis sa morning. Lalo na kapag tulog pa silang lahat, feel ko parang me time ko na rin siya. And ito pa yung isa sa non-negotiable sa akin is yung paglinis ng kitchen sink everyday. Yes, kung kaya everyday, mas maganda. Dinidisinfect ko siya, nililinis and binabrush. Because sabi nga nila, yung kitchen, yung isa sa pinakamaduming part ng house. So, dapat focus tayo dito. Pero tayo gumagawa ng food for our family. After I clean our kitchen counter, ito naman yung next na agenda ko. Nililinis ko din yung gas range namin. And as much as possible, pinipilit namin siyang linisin din everyday because everyday din kami nagluluto ng food. So, yan, nililinis din namin siya everyday. And after that, nagre-refill ako ng water because we consume a lot of water in the evening. So, I make sure na mag-refill na ako in the morning. And after my quick cleanse sa kitchen, I go back straight to work and do some of my pending tasks. So, I have different tasks pala sa work ko. To be honest, it's very flexible. But for me, gusto ko yung task ko for today, matatapos ko talaga siya para wala akong pending task. I'll be back na lang after my shift and mag-work muna ako. And ang work ko lang naman everyday is 6 hours, minsan less pa. And ang bayad niya sa akin is for full time. So, win-win na, diba? And nag-request din ako kay client kung pwedeng mag-work ako ng Saturday, Sunday because sobrang gaan lang naman ng work. My next agenda is I'm gonna clean our dining area and currently Selena is awake. Selena, can you please say hello?
Hello!
And as you all know, we're a family of 4, so very perfect lang ang size ng aming dining area. And si Patrick, ang non-negotiable sa kanya is ayaw niya ng dining area na may mga gamit. Gusto niya clear lang yan ng ganyan. Currently, it's 5 o'clock in the morning and Kuya Seb has school today. Come with me and let's wake him up. So this time, I'm telling him that I'm doing a day in my life. So I asked permission if I can film him. Every morning, ito lang talaga yung routine niya. So na-train naman siya na maglinis ng bed after niya mag-wake up. And kapag walang school, help niya rin kami maglinis ng bed namin. So most of our household chores, help niya talaga kami pag walang school. This time, nagre-ready na siya to go to school and we already trained him to go to school by himself. But every morning, pupunta dito si Lolo Raul niya para ihatid pa rin siya. Ayan, papasok na si Kuya, so whole day siya. Pero ayaw niya na mag-breakfast and nagising na rin ang aming baby, si Lina. And nag-play muna sila ni Lolo bago ihatid si Kuya sa school. And ayan, nagpaalam na sila and as usual, si Selena malungkot kasi gusto niya laging kasama yung kuya niya. So, ang routine ni Selena, pagkagising niya is nagpapalit siya ng nappy. So, surprisingly, tinatapos tinapon niya na yung used nappy niya sa trash. So, we're very proud kasi walang nagturo sa kanya. Ulat na lang kami, nagtatapon na siya mag-iisa sa basurahan. And after that, we make sure na mag-alcohol siya para iwas bacteria. So, after niya mag-freshen up at mag-change ng clothes, iipitan ko siya kasi ang every morning routine niya is dinadala namin siya sa park para makakatch din siya ng healthy sun, makawalk at makaplay. So, this time, nag-aaya na si Selena, lumaba na siya at ang word niya lagi ay Kako! Kako! Also, I just want to share that we just got our GB Pocket Plus all-terrain. I've been eyeing this stroller since Kuya Seb was a baby pa. And finally, we got it. So, it's very compact and small. It's good for travel. And I think it's just 4 kilo. It's already 7:30 in the morning. So, si Lina nag-aaya maglakad sa park. Malapit lang naman to sa bahay namin. I think 2 streets away. Most of the time, ganito yung morning routine namin. Pero kapag di ako nakakasama minsan, sila lang ng tatay niya nagpupunta sa park. Super lapit lang na sa house. I think mga 5 minutes of walking, nandito ka na sa park. Usually, pag hindi namin nalalakad si Selena in the morning, sa afternoon naman siya naglalakad. So, here you go. There's Selena. Hi! Ayan, super happy niya kasi mag-play na siya ulit. It's 7:55 in the morning and my work is not yet done. So, I decided dito na lang ako mag-work habang inaantay sila mag-play. And madalas, ito yung bonding nila ng tatay niya. Naghahabulan lang silang dalawa. Yan, ganyan lang sila. And happy pala siya dyan kasi may malapit sa aming pusa. At ayan yung baby na yan, nagpapakute pa yan siya. Say hello. Hello. Ayan, gusto niya laging makisala sa voiceover. After staying for 45 minutes, we decided to go home. Pag-uwi namin, ito yung first agenda namin. So, si Patrick, pag walang work, katulong ko siya sa mga gawaing bahay. And most of our gawaing bahay, siya yung gumagawa, siya rin naglalaba. And twice a day siya nagva-vacuum, isa sa umaga, tsaka isa bago matulog. I'm so happy din kasi kahit marami kaming differences, ang pinagkakasunduan talaga namin is pareho kaming malinis sa house. So, nagkakasundo kami when it comes sa paglilinis. So, here's our play area. So, I really invest when it comes sa mga toys. And after that, naligo lang si Selena and Patrick cooked lugaw and pastil for the kids. Of course, we have a lumpiang toge. And surprisingly, si Selena naubos niya yung isang bowl ng lugaw. Dahil pagod at busog na siya, nap time na. And after 2 hours, nagising na si Selena and may energy na ulit siya. Singit ko lang din yung mga orders sa akin. You can check my page, Love Lulu. So, I sell branded toys. While resting, ito yung bonding namin ni Patrick. Nanonood lang kami ng travel vlogs. While si Selena, may bago na naman siyang pinagkakaabalahan. So, it's finally 4:30 in the afternoon. So, finally, Kuya is home. So, na-date siya umuwi kasi may rides daw sila ngayon sa school. And si Selena, sobrang saya niya kapag umuwi yung kuya niya. At ayan, ang cute-cute talaga ng baby girl na yan. Lagi kami nang gigigil sa kanya. Diba? And si kuya, nagpabili ng jersey ni Stephen Curry. So, ayan, excited na siyang sukatin yung jersey niya. Before going to bed, bonding lang si kuya at si Selena. And si Selena, natuto na din siya mag-whistle. So, whistle siya ng whistle. So, we're about to sleep na. So, we're preparing na to go to bed. Thank you for watching. Until our next one. Bye! Bye! Bye!